How to recover deleted emails from AOL Mail. If you want to recover your deleted emails from AOL Mail, all you have to do is go ahead and then simply launch your mail app, which is AOL Mail app, or you can open your browser and go to mail.aol.com. Then from there, what you have to do is just simply tap on the three lines option from the top left of the screen. Then from there, all you have to do is simply go to this little option that says trash. So just go to the trash option over there. Then once you go to the trash option here, you will be able to see all the AOL mails over here. So you can simply go ahead and select the mail that you want to recover. And after you select that, you can just select move to, and then you can select inbox. So there isn't a recover button. What you have to do is from trash, select move to, select inbox, and all those mail from your deleted folder will be moved back to your inbox folder, as you'd be able to see. And this way you'll be able to actually restore your deleted AOL mails. I hope that this video helped you. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down in the comment section. Thank you for watching till the very end, and see you soon in the next video.